What's up, guys? I'm back with the series. So I'm just recording this after the last one because I need to keep the videos short. So as I said, I'm going to on this video I'm going to basically make this widget work to show the current wave info. So the current wave, the zombies left to kill, and the zombies that are alive. And then I'm going to just kind of create a play area and maybe create some walls where the zombies can spawn but keep hidden from the player so we don't see them pop up. So we can, in a real game, we can create a play area where the players can't leave and the zombies can come to us and we can kill them. So yeah, first of all I'm going to work on the widget. So first of all I'm going to go into our player character. So I'm going to find my world settings. If you don't have the world settings, we can go into window, click on world settings, and I'm going to just find my player character, or you can just find it on the current browser. And I'm just going to find a blank space, and I'm just going to create a new custom event. It's going to be on the client. So create wave info screen. Just gonna go into my own client. And I'm going to create a widget. This is going to be our ground info. Only player is going to get the player controller. And I'm going to simply add it to the viewport. And so I'm going to play. I'm going to ready up. And I'm going to ready up here. I'm going to start. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh my god. Yeah, we need to call this client create wave info screen. Jesus Christ. I can't believe I forgot that. So we need to find our begin play. So let me just click here, event begin play. Just gonna go into client, create wave info screen. Or actually, wait just a sec. Okay, I was looking for an event, but it's not set there, but it doesn't matter. So after the event begin play, I'm going to create the window. Now we should just be able to see it from here. As you can see, it's there on the left. But now we need to actually fill the numbers. So I'm going to go into over here, I'm going to go into current wave, and I'm going to bind this. I'm just going to change the name. So this is going to be current wave text bind. And we're going to get this from our gameplay. So I'm going to get my owner, or my owning player. There you go. I'm going to cast to my PC gameplay. I'm going to go right click and click on convert to pure cast, and then I'm going to get the current wave. Just going to drag it. It's going to automatically do to text from the integer. So it's going to convert the integer to a text. I'm going to close this. I'm going to go into the designer. I'm going to go on the zombies left to kill. I'm going to create a bind. Actually, sorry. Let's go back into the graph and open that current wave because we're going to want to display this little current wave and then display the number. I am going to create right click and type a pen. So here we can create custom strings. So I'm just going to go on A and say current wave, 2 points. I'm going to add 2 spaces, and then on B I'm going to connect the number. And then I'm going to drag the return value to the return node, and everything should be working fine. So then you can close it, go back to the designer, go into zombies left to kill, create another bind, and then zombies left to kill, bind. So same thing, we're gonna get the owning player, cast to our PC gameplay, convert it to a pure cast. But this time we're gonna get the zombies to spawn going round. So this is gonna give us all the zombies that are left to kill in that round. And I create a new append, drag the return value, create some space over here. There you go. So zombies left to kill, zombies left to kill, 2 points, double space, drag this to B, compile, save, and close this. And now for last, the zombies alive, so the current zombies that are alive, we're gonna get zombies alive bind. Same thing, let's get the owning player, cast our PC gameplay, convert to pure cast, get some space over here, and here we want to get the zombies spawned in round, so the zombies that are currently spawned. Want to create a new append, drag this to the return value, zombies alive, 2 points, double space, drag this to the B. Oh, sorry. Compile and save, close this. And now we should have our information updated. So you can say that we are in the current wave, but we have no zombies because we haven't started the game yet. So I'm just going to ready up. And I'm going to ready up. And I'm going to start our game. So they're going to spawn, and you can see that we have 12 zombies left to kill, but we're only 5 alive. So I'm going to shoot. There you go. Wait, there's something wrong. Our zombies alive aren't going down with the zombies that we kill. So we're going to need to let's just check our PC gameplay. So basically we are checking if our zombies spawned are less than our max zombies that can spawn. Wait, I'm a bit confused. Let me just try that again. I'm just going to change this to 1 player, just so we don't have to go through all that stuff. We have 4 zombies, but you can see there are zombies alive. So we have 4 zombies left to kill, but there are 5 zombies alive, and the zombies alive isn't getting updated. So let me just check that. So our zombies alive is basically the zombies spawned in round. So we're basically adding a +1. I think I made a mistake here. Let me just check. So our zombies alive is basically so zombies spawned in round. That's exactly it. So thing is, the zombies spawned in round are giving us the total value. of how many zombies have basically spawned in the round, and we don't want that. We basically want this value called zombies spawned or zombies alive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this on the beginning. I'm going to call this zombie spawned. I'm going to right click, promote this to a variable, and call this zombies live. Well, I can't. Well, I already have a variable with that name. Wait, so I can use that, right? Because in the end, okay, so I can use the zombies alive. I'm so stupid, I'm sorry again. I'm a bit rusty, I haven't doing Unreal in a while. So let me just get zombies alive. There you go. And now we should be good. Let's try that again. So let's start. So zombies alive is 4, zombies left to kill is 4. But it's interesting. Although we only have 4 zombies left to kill, supposedly there are 5 zombies alive. That's weird. So let's just kill them. We have 4 zombies alive. Kill the rest. We have 1 zombie alive. There it is. So next round we have 8 zombies left to kill and 5 zombies alive. We're gonna kill that. And we still have 5 zombies alive because remember they are respawning. Just our zombies left to kill isn't updating as well. Although the zombies alive is getting updated. Okay, so the zombies left to kill is basically showing us the zombies that we have to kill in total, but is not reducing, is not updating. So okay, so the theory is working, but I'm not displaying the number correctly. So let me just check. The zombies left to kill, binding him to this. And I'm getting the zombies to spawn during the round. Okay, that's a problem because zombies to spawn during the round is not getting updated. So we basically need to do a minus on this. A -1 every time we kill a zombie, right? But we don't want that. So you know what? Every time we advance to a round, I think I'm going to create a new variable. This variable may store the exact same thing. So the zombies to spawn during the round. So let me just, I'm probably going to set it here. So I'm going to right click, promote a variable, and I'm just going to call this zombies left to kill. Gonna make this replicated as well. Actually, I don't think we need to replicate this. Yeah, I don't think we need to replicate this. It's okay. So zombies left to kill. We're going to every time a round starts. Actually, every time the timer runs. Actually, that's the problem. We don't want to do this. All right. So That's interesting. I want to set the zombies left to kill to this number, but I only want to do it once. You know what? I might do a sequence here. And then on the other part, I'm gonna do a do once. This do once is just going to set this variable to this, and I want to reset this do once when we advance to the next wave. And we want to, every time we kill a zombie, so we're probably gonna get this, and server cause damage. We're gonna apply the damage to the zombie, so I'm gonna need to go into the zombie character. So when I kill a zombie, I'm gonna want to create a new custom event of this client underscore zombies left to kill. I'm just gonna call it update zombies left. There you go. We're going to do this on the client because we want to access the player controller. I'm going to call it here, client update zombies left to kill. That's exactly what we want. Going to get, I don't know if this is the right way to do this, because basically this actor is going to have I don't think this is gonna work here. You know what, guys? Let me just pause the video really quick, and I'll, once I find out the best way to update this, I'll let you know. Okay, guys. So I figured it out. It would actually work the way that I was saying. So you basically gotta go into your zombie character, create that function that I told you to create. So just call it client update zombies alive, or zombies left, sorry. Execute it on your owning client, and basically you get the player controller, you cast it to your PC gameplay. You can delete this, no need. Basically you get your zombies left to kill, you subtract 1, and then you set your zombies left to kill, and you connect it, and that's it. You can compile and save here. If you go back to your PC gameplay, you gotta grab this over here. So grab what I have selected here. So this get game mode to your multiply by 4. Control C this, and then go back here on your advance to next round. After this, you just paste that, you connect it, and then you just grab your zombies left to kill, and you connect your multiply 4 to it. What it's gonna do is basically, so when you advance to the next round, you're going to calculate how many zombies are going to be left to kill. The reason that we don't do these here is because these updates every second, and it will be constantly overriding the thing. But when we advance to the next round, this will only execute once, and it's going to be before a round begins. So it's exactly what we need. So with this, the other thing that you need to do is go into your display round info. You need to substitute this to zombies left to kill. I don't remember if we did that already. And another thing, another bug, that bug that we had, we spawned 5 zombies instead of 4, is that instead of having like the smaller sign, we got the smaller and equal. You need to substitute that by a smaller and connect that to the branch, and between these two just substitute the symbol that was here to this one, to the less than, sorry, not smaller, less than. And another thing, you need to go into the zombies left to kill and add the default value of 4. Because when we start the game, this advance to next round won't execute this because it only done after a round finishes. So you need to set up the default to 4. Or if you've changed these values over here and like the zombie to spawn on the first round is, for example, 8, you need to go in these zombies left to kill and set the default value to 8. So it corresponds to the actual number. So if you're going to play and we start, you can see that the zombies left to kill is 4, the zombies alive is 4. You kill one and it updates, kill another one, it updates. Let's just kill these 2. And you can see that now the zombies left to kill is 8 and the zombies alive is 5. And you can kill, the zombies alive will remain 5 because remember we are clamping it to 5, and as soon as it goes to 4, the zombies left to kill and the zombies alive will be equal again. And you can see that everything is working as it should. There you go, it's updating, waves are going, and now because the value is going between 5 and 20, the zombies that can be alive at the same time, it's now 6, so the difficulty of the round increases. And of course you can change these values as you want. So the max zombies that can spawn, you can change this from 5 to another value, and you can change the values on the clamps. Or this multiplying, you can say for example 3 or 4, and change these values to just do what you need. And I believe that's it. I think I'm gonna be leaving it for this video because it's already 22 minutes, so it's gonna be a long time to upload. So in the next video, I'm going to limit the gameplay area and make the zombies spawn in better places, so we can have a proper game, as I said. So I don't think I'm forgetting anything. If I am, you can always leave any doubts or anything in the comments. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.